up, y'all? I'm back. I'm doing a tutorial today on affordable makeup products. It's back to school time. It's time for everybody to get on their A game. They got to get fresh, and your FAFSA might not have kicked in, you know what I'm saying? And you trying to figure out how you can get, you know, a nice look without having to go to Sephora and spend $300, $400. Well, I'm here to show you how. And I'm using this CoverGirl foundation that was only $8 at Walmart. Yeah, so throughout this tutorial, I'm using everything, basically everything you can get from Walgreens, Walmart. Couple things like the brushes, like BH Cosmetics, I got online, but you can find dupes in the store. So I hope it's helpful. Stay tuned if you want to see how I did this look. So for eyebrows today, I'm using this Maybelline Master Precise Skinny Gel Pencil in the color, hold on, Sharp Brown. Okay, now that I'm done with my brows, I'm going to clean them up with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Pure Beige. And to do that, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Professional Eyeliner Brush because it's nice and flat. For primer, since my pores be out of control, I'm going to use this new CoverGirl True Blend Primer. It's pore minimizing. So we finna shrink these pores and blur them out, and it gives you a mattifying shine, creates the perfect canvas for foundation, long lasting weightless feel, and it's oil free. So let's try it. Okay, so for foundation today, I'm trying this new CoverGirl foundation, the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation that everybody's been talking about on YouTube, if you watch YouTube like I do. I got the shade T60. I tried T70 and it's too dark. I was looking like I tried to do blackface. So yeah, I went and got a new shade this morning and I'm excited to try it out. So I'm going to take that. And I'm going to use my e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush to blend it out. Kind of like it. It looks like it matches. I'll put some more on this side to cover these marks up. Okay, yeah, I'm digging it. It's probably gonna look a little bit better once I highlight and all that stuff too. But I like it. It feels real lightweight. Okay, next to stick true to the CoverGirl family, I'm gonna try the new CoverGirl True Blend. It's Lit Concealer, and this is in the shade 400. Now my highlighted areas. And because that looks like it's a little dark, not highlighty enough, I'm going to go back in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Pure Beige. I'm going to put a couple dots in there to mix it in. Now I'm going to use this Real Technique sponge. Real good sponge for going under the eyes, and this flat part right here for blending out. Very affordable. And I'm going to go ahead and blend this in. Okay, so for setting powder, I'm going to use my Maybelline New York. As you can see, it's been used a lot. So it's my Maybelline New York Loose Shine Free Powder in the color Light to go up under my eyes. Okay, to prime my eyelid, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Concealer again in beige. I keep bringing this up, but I love this stuff. Oldie but goodie. I'm just going to put it on both my eyelids. Okay, so for eyeshadow today, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild palette, Rose in the Air number 758. So, I'm going to go in this palette right here. And I'm going to use this e.l.f. blending brush. I'm going to go in this shade right here. To make this pop a little bit, do something a little different, I'm going to this little burnt orange color right here. I'm going to put that in my crease. Now we're going to go into the transition shade again with this e.l.f. concealer brush, but I like it because it's small enough to go right up under this eye. And then we're gonna go in the burnt orange color. Now I'm gonna go into my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the color medium deep, and I'm gonna buff away all this powder. And I'm using this e.l.f. brush. It says number 101. It's a big fluffy brush. Okay, and to bronze up my face, I'm going to use this CoverGirl palette. It's 3 shades, well, 3 little squares, one for blush, one for highlight, one for contouring and bronzing. I'm not gonna do like a whole snatched contour. I'm just gonna bronze up my face a little bit. And I'm gonna use my BH Cosmetics brush 134. Okay, and for blush, I'm going to use my Milani Baked Blush in the color Rose d'Oro. I'm going to take one of these Eco Tools. It's a big fluffy brush. It doesn't have a number or description, but I'm going to take that big fluffy brush and dip up in there like that. Okay, next I'm going to spray myself with this NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. And to highlight, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild highlighter called Crown of My Canopy. I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics highlighting brush. It says number 140. Yeah, I like it. And for mascara, I'm going to use my Maybelline The Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. I'm going to use my NYX lip liner in the color Nutmeg. And I'm going to use one of my favorite lipstick glosses, whatever, is the Revlon Color Burst in the color Rose Pearl. I've been using this for years, this color. And if you want to, you can stop right here after the mascara, or if you like me and you like lashes because you feel like yours don't do enough, I'm gonna use these Kiss Demi Wispy lashes. They're not in the case, y'all, so I can't show you exactly, but it's the Kiss Demi Wispy lashes in the number 1. And I'm gonna use my Kiss Strip Lash adhesive with aloe in the color clear. Looks like this. Is a little worn out because I use it all the time. And there you have it, the finished look. So I hope you all enjoyed this. I tried to make it as affordable as possible, and I really wanted to try this foundation, so that was my excuse for making this video. And so far I like it. I'm gonna have to do a wear test and see if it really lasts 12 hours, because you know I'm oily, so I want to see if it can really hold on to an oily girl like me. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed it like I said before, and stay tuned for more videos to come. See y'all.